from the three. Wait, no, it's not pretty girls. It's city girls, right? Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's get this. City girls from the 305. Pretty waist, pretty face, thick thighs. Period. You know, so whatever Trina say, then period. What they say. You know. Whatever, that song is in my head. Anyways, you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and another episode of Test This Skincare Pan. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as Larimar Elixir, and we will be adding a new facial soap really soon, so make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com. So in this episode of Test This Skincare Pan, we will be making a mask. So in this face mask is honey and oats. Now, I looked all over Pinterest because this honey and oat face mask is supposed to help with your blackheads. So I'm kind of confused. Is honey really supposed to help with blackheads? But we'll see. So let's get started. So the pan calls for a 1/4 cup of oats. So we will be using this bowl. Side note, have any of you ever seen this pan on Pinterest? Side note, make sure you follow me on Pinterest because I'm always pinning. Y'all know I like to pin. So make sure you follow me on Pinterest and let's just get started. Now the pan did call for a 1/4 cup of rolled oats. It didn't say ground oats or anything. And I looked and it said a 1/4 cup of whole oats. Now, I don't know. We'll see as we get through this pan if we should. So I'm just going to do a heaping 1/4 cup like this much. You guys see? It didn't have directions for the honey. So I know it took me 2 hours to find this honey. So they didn't really have directions for the honey. So what I'm going to do is just do 1-to-1 ratios, which is a 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup. Except I'm not going to pour it in my 1/4 cup because it's going to get really sticky. And like when I cook with honey, I normally like to add oil to the bottom of the cup. So we're just going to do it the ghetto way. Oh my god, here we go. So I'm just essentially covering it. So good. So I'll show you guys what I did. I'm like literally covering the oats. So this is how I covered the oats. Ooh, could you guys see? Like literally I covered the oats. Now I think I used a little bit too much honey, probably a little too much, so you may want to measure it. And then it says stir it. So of course we're going to stir it. So this is what the mixture looks like. Now this is kind of a little too sticky, I would say. I'm kind of afraid to put this on my face because it may fall off. Let's see. I'm going to add just a little more oats. Now, I don't know if this is supposed to be a scrub or what is this supposed to be. But it said mask. So, you know, pray for me and my skin. Oh, whew. So, okay, so, y'all, woo. So, I guess we could literally just pack it on like so. See, look at, you're supposed to pack it on like this, like, okay. Oh my God, I hate this already. Oh, you know how much cleanup I'm gonna have to do? Now I'm mad. Oh my God, y'all help me. Oh. Pray for me. Oh my God. Okay, you know what, Pinterest? You know what? We're going to take a L for... You know what? We're going to take a L. We're going to take a L. Okay. It's on my face. It's on my shirt. I'm mad because it's on my shirt. It's on the floor. Now I'm going to have to mop. And I didn't already mop. And y'all know I don't like to mop but once a week. So this is out of control. Dang it. Now I got to mop. Ah, good grief. Pinterest, why? Why, Pinterest? Oh. Okay, so it's on my face. Let's do a close-up. Now, this is said you keep it on your face for 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, so we're supposed to keep this mask on your face for 10 to 20 minutes. And so far as the mask is on my face, what I'm feeling is utter disgust. I don't feel it cleaning my blackheads. I don't know what Pinterest was talking about blackheads. Maybe you're supposed to scrub it, so we're gonna try to scrub it. Let's see. Oh, okay. No, Okay, so this is what the mask looks like. So, yeah, I'm gonna be a trooper and keep it on my face for 10 to 20 minutes. I mean, this looks so weird. And yeah, so, you know, we'll see. Now, for all y'all saying I'm wasting paper towels, I get them at Costco. So don't start with me saying I waste paper towels if you're not going to help me by purchasing some of my, by purchasing or starting me a GoFundMe for some paper towel. I pay for the paper towel, so if I want to waste the paper towel, I can waste the paper towel. Okay? Okay? Okay, here we go. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't know what's worse, the mask on my face or the feeling of getting it off. Oh, it feels so nice getting it off. Y'all don't even understand how good this feels. Ooh, Bounty works. Y'all, you know what? The quicker picker upper. That's how old I am. Quicker picker upper. Bounty was. I'm literally like soaking them in the sheets. I'm literally soaking them in the water. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, so we've officially gotten that catastrophe off our face. So now what I'm gonna do is take a paper towel and literally like pat dry. So I'm not gonna rub, I'm just gonna pat. So now what I'm gonna do is add Larimar elixir to my face because I feel like it needs it. But before we do that, let's do a close-up. So what do y'all think? What do y'all think? My blackhead still okay. So I'm trying, so okay, so you see my chin, it's been looking messy lately. So I'm trying to get my chin together. If I had a microscope so y'all could see how bad my chin really looks. Like I have a mirror where the big side and the little side, you know, the normal side and the big side that gets close up. So my chin's been looking bad. I know you really can't see it on camera, but you can see some of the white heads. They're about to form in the blackheads, but that's what I really wanted to use the mask for. But the only thing I feel is mortified about it, but we could talk about that in a bit. Let's add Larimar elixir, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com, and this is a great moisturizer for sensitive skin. It has jasmine extract with a beautiful jasmine scent, as well as blue tansy essential oil. So okay, so initially what I really wanted to do with this mask was try it for a week, but something in my head told me to let's just talk, get on camera and do it together. Would I ever recommend this mask for blackheads? Would I recommend that mask at all? If you like cleaning, if you OCD, see, I don't have OCD, I just like a clean house. Like my house is a little messy, but it ain't dirty, you know. My kitchen dishes are clean. My bathtub is clean. You know, I clean my house. I'm not OCD with it. And I'm not really organized. I'm a messy person. But eventually when it gets too much for me, especially since I've had a child, I've let go a lot. But I think once you get older, I'll be fine. Anyways, that's here nor there. We're here to talk about the pen. I wouldn't I wouldn't let you try it. It drips everywhere. This is not a fun pen. I felt like my face was not on fire, but you know how you feel like you have something on your face and you want to like scratch it off? That's what I felt with this pen. It was scratchy. Really, the first Test This Skincare pen of the new year, and it's a messy all out pen? Really? Woo! Out of all the Test This Skincare pens I've did, even on my other channel, this one is the worst. I thought the lemon and honey was horrible, but this one is worse. Oh my God, I wouldn't recommend you ever doing that. But you know, you could try. If you don't want to buy, always try. And as Tupac says, let them try, at least you tried for it. Something to that effect, you know. Something to that. Anyways, let me know in the comments down below, would you ever try this pen? If you did, what did you do? Maybe I should have ground the oats up, but that's not what Pinterest said. So if you come for me in these YouTube comments, I love you so much, telling me that I should have ground up the oats, that's not what the pen said. I did exactly what the pen told me to do. Okay, so YouTube, y'all are as ruthless as Pinterest these days. Please forgive me. I did what the pen said. Next time, I think I'm going to ground it up and we could try it again and see the results. Maybe it'd be way better. I don't know. Because, you know, sometimes ground oats are different from roll hold oats as quick oats. There's a lot of oats. There's different types of oats. There's quick oats, still cut oats, ground oats. It's a whole oat coat out there we got to deal with here. But that's it for me. I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're following me, Shundara, on all my social media sites. Last time I said her in third person, so my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next episode of Test This Skincare Pen. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, you guys.